Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing Hide It Pro and granting the minimal permissions it needs so the app works. Create a strong PIN now, and add biometric unlock if your device supports it, because that balances speed with security. Once done, choose where the vault will live, internal or external storage, and set an automatic backup schedule. This prevents data loss. Make sure to avoid obvious PINs and record recovery hints in a secure place for future access. Now you import content. Tap Import, select items, and confirm Move or Copy. Moving removes originals and reduces exposure. Organize by creating folders and tags. This makes retrieval fast and enforces separation, which is important when you want different sharing rules. Once items are inside, enable stealth mode or change the app icon so it looks innocuous. This reduces casual discovery. Also, set automatic lock timeout. Finish by learning export and backup. Use the secure share option for individual files when needed, because exporting whole vaults increases risk. Run a manual backup to your chosen cloud or local folder, then verify the backup opens correctly. This prevents surprises. If the app won't open, try the recovery PIN first and only reinstall after confirming a valid backup exists. Otherwise, you may lose data. If problems persist, contact support and provide app version and error details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.